Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel R in Dublin. I'm on my way to Bunratty Castle to do the tour around the folk village and the castle, but on my way I just stopped in Obama Plaza to get some petrol. I show you the exhibition in Obama Plaza. I love the supermarket commercial. How you can see huge super old American style car with a big Papa John's pizza logo on it. I love it. Pity we cannot sit inside. Of course, if everybody will sit it, that car will be damaged very easier, but I like idea. That's so cool, isn't it? And I'm happy I'm alone here, and all the museum is for me, and I can walk without mask. And you can see I walk. I'm talking right now because most of the time it's just impossible to talk and impossible to see the mouth moving because of the mask. I'm just enjoying time here in Obama Plaza. It's great food court downstairs, and of course petrol station. And upstairs we can have some track of history when Obama was in Ireland, and also from the Obama presidential time in USA. Lovely, lovely. Hopefully when you are in Obama Plaza you will visit this place upstairs, because it's not just a petrol station, it's little extra.